The purpose of the comic book is to spread messages about religious tolerance and conflict resolution approach. Common Ground is really focusing on the conflict transformation, about how to stay away from adversarial approach to the more constructive approach in dealing with conflict. So we use the comics book as a tool for educational purposes. So the youth or the pesantren can easily access all the messages through our comics book. After we produce the comics book, we roll out the comics book in 10 schools actually, in 9 pesantren and 1 public school. It's spread in Palu and Java, and one public school is in Depok. Now we are in Lombok and we are in the Al-Mansuriyah. This is pretty much moderate pesantren and they have about 1,000 santri. It's from the kindergarten until the high school. And today we're going to have some activities with the teachers and also the students, especially for the high school students. We're going to have reading clubs on our comics books with about 100 students. And we also have the TOT on how to facilitate the comics book discussion with the teachers. Comic is about the peace building, religious tolerance, and embracing the diversity within our community. So to this comic, the first episode of the Genjring, we can learn from others about the difference, and also we can embrace the difference as a power for us when dealing with people, and we try to learn from others about how to respect each other.
Mengenai komik yang kami baca pada hari ini, insya Allah banyak sekali isinya, yaitu pertama, ketika kami membaca komik yang tadi itu, kami bisa mengetahui bagaimana cara-cara santri yang berdampak positif bagi kita semua. Dan mengenai kegiatan-kegiatan yang mereka lakukan, insya Allah bisa kami terapkan di sini. Yaitu salah satunya kegiatan kami di sini yaitu Rabana Kasidah.
Why we use the comic book is because we think comic book is very familiar to our youth in Indonesia, but it is also very not common actually when we go to pesantren. So we try to use this comic book as a vehicle to promote religious tolerance within pesantren.
Mengenai komik yang kami baca di sini adalah masalah beda is not bad, di mana pengertiannya adalah banyak sekali pengertian-pengertian yang saya bisa temukan di sana. Pertama yaitu perbedaan, bahwa diversity artinya adalah di mana kita akan menemukan di sana titik temunya, yaitu common ground itu sendiri.
Tidak kasar sama teman.
The TOT is about how to facilitate the comic discussion because it's something new for the teacher. Because usually they use a lot of prescriptive approach in discussion with the students. But through this TOT, we train them about how to use more elicitative approach when handling or when facilitating the discussion. In elicitative approach, the member of the group is the source of knowledge. Their experience is the source of knowledge. But in the prescriptive approach, the teacher is the source of knowledge. That's why the teacher is more giving the knowledge to the student or to the audience or to the member of the group. But in the elicitative approach, the student itself is the source of knowledge and skill. So the teacher just facilitate the discussion and to gather more information and more knowledge, more experience.
Besar sekali manfaatnya buat saya, khususnya di dalam mengajar. Bagaimana membuat anak didik menjadi semangat, menjadi hidup, menjadi senang belajar, nyaman belajar, dan menghidupkan suasana learning prosesnya.
Yang positif sifatnya. So we hope that they can learn more about the religious tolerance to comic, and also they can establish more on the discussion of the program.